I'm in front of the Holborn Presentation Center over here, presenting this giant neighborhood that's getting put in on 33rd by Main Street. But just next to it is Little Mountain, and I don't get here very often, but it's a fantastic spot. So let's take a look. That little hill up there is Little Mountain. It's not much of a mountain. Blowdell Conservatory. It's named after the Blowdell Logging Company. I'm not quite sure what the whole deal was, that's a long time ago. But in the worst months of November and December, when Vancouver is just ugly, this is a great place to come. It's really warm inside, it's full of tropical plants, and it's full of exotic birds, which is awesome. And I plan on coming back here in January to take a look. It's closed right now for renovations, but will reopen very shortly, and we'll have a look inside. But one of the things that I think is really cool about this place is it's located, I'm pretty sure, on the highest point of land in Vancouver, Little Mountain, which is pretty little, but have a look over the edge here. You can see down to downtown. And if we can see downtown from here, downtown can see us. It's just pretty subtle because it's buried in trees. There's a beautiful outdoor botanical gardens. See, look, closed. Huh, that's too bad. I would have loved to have gone inside today. Let's see if we can at least take a peek. Yeah, you can see there's a cockatiel sitting right there, just enjoying himself with nobody around. But it's fun to walk around here. It's a very small place, and this is my point. I think the Blowdell Conservatory might be the key to putting something dramatic on the map that represents Vancouver. Imagine if this little dome were 20 times this size. A huge dome. And you could see it easily from downtown. Oh, nice beauty berry. One of my favorite plants, especially at this time of year, little spot of color. But you'd easily see that from downtown. It would dominate the skyline from pretty much everywhere. And it would be a serious tourist attraction, a great place to go in the ugly months. And it would be iconic. Iconic like Sydney Opera House, Statue of Liberty, the giant wheel in London. Every city needs something that goes on a postcard that people recognize. Oh yeah, that's Vancouver. They got that giant tropical dome. Let's go there when in the middle of the winter when it's so ugly out and just enjoy the exotic birds. See, here's their outdoor. Let's take a look over the edge. beautiful. Yeah, this is hopping in the summertime, made out of a quarry that got dug out and then turned into a botanical garden. So a lot of botanical gardens that are made out of quarries after the quarries dry up. And it's, you know, it's nice, it's protected. All right, let's return in January and take a look inside.